Hi my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Karina Gonzalez, and my YouTube channel consists of makeup tutorials, try-on hauls, just pretty much like all fashion kind of makeup. I really do hope you guys do enjoy my videos, and if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you guys did. So for today's video, as you guys seen by the title of this video, I did review the new Let's Do Makeup X Liveglam collaboration, which is their bundle of joy. So that's pretty much what we're going to be filming today, is again using the palette and the 3 lippies. Well, obviously I just used one, but I went ahead and I swatched them for you so you guys can see what the 3 lippies look like. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just feel free and keep on watching. Hi my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys seen by the intro and you guys seen by the title, I finally got to sit down and have time to review the Let's Do Makeup X Liveglam collaboration, their bundle of joy that they recently came out with. If you guys are not familiar who Let's Do Makeup is, her name is Leslie, and she does makeup. She does like Facebook Live. She's currently pregnant right now. And yeah, Liveglam is obviously that monthly subscription that you guys can subscribe to, and you guys can get 3 free lippies, monthly brushes, and I believe palettes sometimes. So what they did was, she recently came out with the whole kind of bundle, but when she first started, her first collaboration, I want to say, was with these specific shades. So it was pretty cool because I wanted to get these, especially for one specific shade that she said that everybody was in love with, and everybody was telling her that they wanted her to restock it, and she said that she didn't have a restock date, and this was like, I want to say, years ago. So, and then she came out with her own palette, which is this one right here. So it's like a cherry blossom kind of theme. The original packaging for this is not the same. It's obviously a little bit different, but her original packaging for the palette was the cherry blossom kind of theme that she went with. So what she did was she pretty much put it into one whole bundle, so you guys can get the palette and you guys can get the lippies, which I thought was a great idea because I did want to get the palette, but I'm not sure how much it retailed for, and I wanted to get the lippies, but obviously these were out of stock. So when I seen that she was going to do them together into a bundle, I was like, okay, I have to pick it up. And I want to say this whole thing retailed for $48, which is not too bad because I want to say each, for 3 lippies, if you subscribe, or if you just buy them separately, I want to say they're $19.99 or $29.99. I'm not too sure how much the palette was for sale when it was on its own, but the whole thing I did get it for $48, which I think is a really good deal. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and be reviewing today. I'm gonna try to use as many as the shades as I can in the palette. So to start off, I'm gonna go ahead and do obviously my eyes. Do you guys like my new background? I wanted to try a little something different. I think it looks pretty cute. So, but anyways, so this is what obviously the actual like carton it comes in, and then this is the actual palette. So it's pretty much like the same thing, and then you open it up, and these are the shades. So she did obviously make a video and she explained what each name meant to her, and why she chose the certain shades. So instantly when I opened the palette, I was more gravitated towards like kind of not neutral, but the more like fall kind of colors. I don't know if it's because it's fall right now. I did swatch this one. I haven't used it, but I did swatch it because I wanted to see how it was gonna look. But again, this is what the shades look like. So I'm gonna try to use as many of the matte shades as possible, maybe just even a hello. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do yet, but to start off, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Kangaroo, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. And actually, I'm gonna use the mirror that it comes with. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in just a little bit more so you guys can get a closer look at what I'm doing. Okay. So again, starting off with Kangaroo, I'm taking that on a Morphe fluffy brush. Again, I don't know what eye look I'm going to do, but here we go. Ooh. Super pigmented. Can you guys see that? Again, I just concealed my eye. I didn't set my eye. I just applied some concealer to it. So first I'm just going to tab. And then I'm just going to start to blend out. I was thinking of doing like a smoky eye, so that way I'm able to use all of the shades as I can. So honestly, I went in just one time, and this shade was super pigmented. Like, I got all of that in one tap. And then the next brush, I do want to go in with another like fluffy brush, So I'm going to go in with this Morphe M513. And then I'm going to go into the shade next to that, which is called Cake. This one's like a burnt orange kind of color. Ooh, that one's pigmented too. Can you guys see that? These colors are so pigmented. And they blend together really nicely. I know some people do their smoky eyes, like they start off with a dark color and they work up. I like working from the lightest color to the darkest color. Again, it's personal preference. But this is how I personally like doing my smoky eyes. I'm going to take this Morphe brush. It doesn't have a name on it. And then I'm going to take Angel Baby, which is a more like cranberry color. Again, I'm going to apply that just to my lid like so. And then I'm just going to wipe off my brush on a towel and then just slowly start to bring that into the crease area. So first I tapped it onto my lid and now I'm bringing that up into the crease to blend it out. And then I'm just going to go back in with the last brush, which was the M513. Without any product, whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to go ahead and use that. I'm going to go in with like a flat brush. I'm going to go in with this just flat shader brush, and I'm going to take 915, which is like a chocolate brown color. And I'm guessing 915 is the area code in Texas, because that's where she's from. So I'm just tapping off. And honestly, guys, I'm really not getting a lot of like fallout on my face, which I'm super happy about. So first I'm just gonna deposit the color like so, and then I'm gonna go in with this Morphe, another M513 brush without any product. I'm just gonna slowly start to blend that out, just because I don't want to do a lot of like that brown shade into my crease and take away from all the other colors that we put down. So first, if I need to, I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend out with whatever I have, and if I need to add a little bit more of like that 915 color, then I'll go ahead and put that into the crease. So like this one, I feel like I need a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and take 915 and Angel Baby. I'm mixing those two together and then applying that to my crease. And then just with that same brush, I'm going to go ahead and take Rongo, which is just a deep chocolate color or deep brown color. Same thing. This one is just going to go directly onto my lid. Just like so. And then I am going to take, where did that brush go? I'm going to take that 513 brush. I want to use a black, but I'm kind of scared. So I'm going to take just another flat brush, and George is the black shade. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply it to like the outer corner of my eye first. Just like that. I'm just putting a little bit of the black because I don't want to make it too like intense, and I don't want like me to put too much black and then I end up messing up the whole eye look. Has that ever happened to you guys where you guys are like really like hyped about your makeup and you guys are really liking how it's coming out, and then like you do one little wrong thing or you put too much of one color and then it just ruins the whole thing? And then now to go into the bottom lash line, okay, I'm going to take this Morphe R41 brush and I'm going to take that black and I'm going to apply that So I'm going to leave just this little space in between here. I'm going to go in with this Morphe M222 brush. And I'm going to take a little bit of Angel Baby and mix it with Cake. Tap off the excess and start off in the inner part where we kind of left that little space. And then just bring it and drag it around the whole entire bottom lash line. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara and my lashes. You guys already know what lashes I'm going to wear, but if you don't know, I am going to be wearing my Batty Bee lashes in the style Insta-Ho. Okay, so I went ahead and I applied my lashes, and honestly, lashes just make hell of a difference. So now moving on to the lips. I'm going to go ahead and just quickly swatch the 3 different shades that she has. So first I'm going to start off from like lightest to darkest. So the first one is Cristal, which is the first one that I wanted to get because the only reason why, not the only reason, but I wanted to get this specific bundle because of this shade right here. On her, it looks like a little bit more like a brown and nude, but obviously I am a different skin tone. I don't have the same skin tone as her, so it is going to show up a little bit different. So on my skin, it shows up a little bit more like rosy. So that is Cristal. The next one is Baby Girl. This one's like a little bit more of a pinky rosy color, which is this one right here. And then the last one is called Tequila. And this one's like a deep, deep brown shade, like perfect for the fall. So I feel like all the colors kind of go with each other. So again, this is Cristal, Baby Girl, and Tequila. So I think today I want to do more like of a neutral look. So I'm going to go ahead and do Cristal. I was going to do it with liner, but I want you guys to get the true like color without using any liner. I think I'm going to add a little bit of a Hello in the inner corner, just to give it like a little pop of color. So I'm just going to take a little flat brush and taking a Hello. So that pretty much is it for this entire look. Again, this was a tutorial using the Let's Do Makeup X Liveglam collaboration, their bundle of joy. I absolutely love the palette. Honestly, like I did mention, the palette is perfect for the fall. All the shades are super pigmented. They're super creamy and they blend out really, really nicely. I definitely recommend. I don't know if they still have it in stock, so I am so sorry if they don't. But if you guys did get your hands on this, then you guys got a steal. Again, it retails for $48, so it comes with the palette and it comes with the 3 lippies. The 3 lippies, I think that they're like everyday wear. I would definitely wear all of the 3 shades, honestly. Again, this was how Cristal looks. So you guys can see it is like a nude, but it's more like of that pinky nude, which again, I don't mind. I feel like it looks perfect with the eyes, and obviously this is what the eyes came out to look like. Really intense, really smoky. I really, really love this palette, and I'm going to have a lot of fun using it. The one that I'm really excited to try is this blue shade right here, but I expect nothing less. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys are not already. And that is pretty much all I have to say, and I will see you guys on the next one.